Come on. See you in the club, watching me, feeling me, wanting me. How about a little with me? I'll be your fantasy. Put your drink down, come to me. Do you really wanna get with me? You know you want it, come to me. I can take it no more. I just wanna feel your body, touch my body. Don't be shy, my honey. Feel my body. I just wanna feel your body, touch my body. Don't be shy, my honey. Feel my body.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jasmine and I'm a senior instructor at YSDC Wedding Choreography. I know it's been a couple of rough days, so our team has come up with a tutorial series for you guys because we know dancing should not stop. So this is tutorial 2 and I've chosen the song Don't Be Shy. It's the old version, not the new one. Super easy choreography. I've divided the tutorial into 2 parts. So this is part 1. Let's go. This is part 1 of a tutorial. The song is Don't Be Shy, the old version, not the new one. But don't focus on the song right now. Let's just focus on the steps first. We'll do all of part 1 to count and then we're going to try to music together, yeah? Let's go. First step, let's just do the arms first. You're going to make a circular rotation towards your right side and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 3 circles towards your right side. With that, my legs go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm stepping my right leg on 1, 2 and left leg on 3, 4. With that, I'm also using my chest and my hip a little bit. So together it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, I'm going to frame my body to go 5, 6. So I just pop open my legs in the same position. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to do a open, with that a left and right. Let's see the whole bar, how it looks together. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, I'm going to do a kickball change. So I'm going to do a kick, place, place. So I am kicking my right leg, placing my right leg, placing my left leg. With that, my arms are going across and out. So I'm clicking and I'm going out. Let's try that. You're going to go a kick, ball, change. This comes on 1 and 2, 3, 4. I'm just doing a subtle shoulder movement and my left leg is slightly coming up. Yeah, it's a very subtle shoulder movement. Don't try to put too much energy into it. It's a very chill groove. So you're just going to be like 3, 4. From there, I'm going to go 5, 6. So my right leg crosses forward on 5, comes back on 6, and my hands are going 5, 6 over my head, gradually down. So I go 5, 6. From there, I'm going to do 2 head whips. So I'm just going to whip my head on 7 in place and whip it on 8 to come profile. Yeah, let's try the whole bar together. I'm going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. From there, I'm going to bend my right knee to go 1, left 2, 3, 4. With that, I'm going to travel back a little bit. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 3, 4, I'm also going to put my torso back and center again. So the whole thing looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. With that, on 3, 4, I'm also going to use my right hand and make a movement like this. So in the song, he says, come to me. So I'm going to be like, come to me. The whole thing looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, I'm going to come center to go a right, left, right. That's what my upper torso is doing, a right, left, right. But my hands in the same position go left, right, left. So I'm going in the opposite direction. My arms are going a left, right, left, and my body is going a right, left, right. From there, I'm going to put my right leg back in the center to go there. I'm also doing a wave with it, and my right hand takes a half circle. Yeah, let's try the whole thing together. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yeah, from there I'm gonna go 1, 2. So I'm just crossing my body with right on top, left bottom, and I put my right leg out and I go 1 to 2, 2. It's a little bit towards the right, but you can do a right left as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna go 1, 2. From there I'm gonna go 3, 4. So my arms are going out and in, and my body is pushing its way towards the right side to come center. When I come center, you're to be in a plie, so just bend a little bit. So the whole thing looks like there. Yeah, let's try the whole thing together. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, I'm gonna go 5, 6. So I'm putting my weight towards my right, on my toe to my heel, on the left on my toe to my heel. So it goes like 1, 2. Yeah, let's try the whole thing together. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there you go 7, 8. Yeah, so I put my right leg back in on 7 and I do this together. Yeah, so I'm like 7, 8. That is the end of part 1. We're gonna try to music now. Watch this again, practice this again, and then once you're ready, we'll try to music together. Yeah.
See you in the club, watching me, feeling me, wanting me. How about a little with me? I'll be your fantasy. Put your drink down, come to me. Do you really wanna get with me? You know you want it, come to me. I can take it no more.
Okay, part 2, we just have the chorus left. Let's go. We finished here. From there, you place your right leg forward. You go a right, left. Simple walk. Just look confident. Walk stylishly. Look upright. Yeah, you go a right, left. From there, you place your right leg forward and right hand to click and take a turn over your left shoulder. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. This 7, 8 is fast. Okay. One last time. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you place just the legs first. You place your right leg forward to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Arms are going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just facing out, palms facing down, and bring them back in. Together, it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, you place your right leg 5, 6, 7, 8. You're just going out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Arms are going diagonally down, up, down, up. Right hand, left hand just going towards your right side and right leg. Yeah, so together it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you repeat the first step again. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4 to go 5 towards your right, 6, 7, 8. So you're just jumping, right hand, left heel up. Same thing to the other side, left hand, right heel up. Yeah, the whole thing looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, arms behind your back. You go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your body swing to the right, left, right, left. Again, all of this is on Don't Be Shy. She's just repeating the chorus. And it's about 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of this, yeah? So this is the third Don't Be Shy. From there you go a right. So right hand pulling something from the left side. Pull, pull, left hand from the right. Together, up, down. Slowly, right, left, together, up, down. With that, you're also using your pelvic. You're going back, back, down, down. Together, it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Together, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you go right leg back. 1, 2, up, down. 3, 4. Simple, you're just stepping your right, going up, down, left, up, down. From there, you go up, 5, 6. So, I was here, you bring your left leg back in to go right, left. You can use your head, you can use your body, your chest. I leave it up to you. But you use the whole of 5, 6 to do that. From there, you do a step ball change. You go step ball change with your right leg forward, left leg back. Turn over your left shoulder to go 7, 8. Whole thing goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, so the 7 and 8 is a little bit faster. This is full of 5, 6. And that's the end of part 2. Practice it. See part 1 first, practice it. See part 2 first, practice it. And then try it with me to music. Let's go.
Get with me, you know you want it, come to me, I can take it no more. I just wanna feel your body, touch my body, don't be shy, my honey, feel my body, I just wanna feel your body, touch my body, don't be shy, my honey, feel my body.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't worry if you don't get it in the first go. Watch the whole tutorial again, practice it, and you'll be good to go. Just remember to stay confident and don't be shy. We love to watch your videos, so please, whenever you're ready, upload them to your handle and tag us at YSDC Wedding Choreography. The handle is on your screen. Also, don't forget to use the hashtag YSDanceCovers. Stay tuned for more videos coming up and more tutorials coming up. So subscribe to us and stay tuned.